Let's talk about one of the core mechanisms behind one of the biggest fair launches in crypto. This mechanism powers platforms like Pump.Fun, enabling automatic price discovery for millions of meme coins. And it's also been used in protocols like Uniswap v2 and Bancor. Meet bonding curves. A bonding curve is a smart pricing formula that ties a token's price directly to its supply. No order books, no middlemen, just math. Buy tokens, supply increases, and price moves up along the curve. Sell tokens, supply decreases, and price moves back down. For this demo, we built a simple Cartesi rollup application in Python. The app uses the Conding library to create a bonding curve for each token, and every simulated buy or sell updates the supply and recalculates the token's price using the curve formula. To demonstrate this, we launch the application and create a new token, sample token, with an initial supply of 10 million tokens and a starting price of 2 cents. The front end automatically calculates the initial reserve at 25% and we deploy the token. After refreshing the notices, we see our newly created token. Next, we simulate 300 random purchases and 230 random sales. Each transaction updates the supply, recalculates the price, and generates data that the front end renders into a live bonding curve graph. Every buy pushes the price upward, every sell pulls it downward. This shows how programmable pricing models can be implemented inside a Cartesi rollup, combining deterministic computation with advanced token mechanics. Bonding curves are just one example of what becomes possible when finance meets verifiable computation. And now you know how to integrate it on Cartesi. Full repository link in the description.